at Star Seedlings, the 8 children in our nature kindergarten spend their mornings in a beautiful, natural wooded space along the river's edge. The woods, as we fondly call it, offers a rich environment of adventure, with climbing trees, crawling under fallen logs, balancing from rock to rock. The children learn to connect with their bodies as they encounter challenges and overcome obstacles, building resilience and perseverance. This abundance of movement and physical activity now in the kindergarten years lays a strong foundation for future academic success through the development and strengthening of the neurological pathways in the brain. The children's days are filled with both structured and unstructured activities inside and outside, with a focus on stimulating and exercising their powers of imagination. This allows for development of creativity and problem solving, moving beyond the right or wrong answer so as to be open to all possibilities. These are the basic skills children will need to be prepared to live in a future world of complexities which we cannot yet imagine. At Star Seedlings, we believe children must be allowed to be children, and that means playing as much as possible in nature. Play allows children to be free and feel connected to what is happening around them. When children are allowed to make discoveries for themselves, this keeps alive their ability to explore and their thirst for experiences while improving their attention span. Thus, learning is not an expected outcome or something put upon the children, but rather unconscious through their own initiative, which makes it more personally meaningful and impactful. Learning is best when children are engaged in activity and using all their senses. Time spent inside revolves around activities that the children engage and interact together. They take care of their space by folding laundry, setting the table, washing dishes, sweeping and dusting, and waxing the wooden toys. This supports their social-emotional development through life skills of working collaboratively, accepting responsibility, awareness of being kind, and empathy, all very important to learn and practice during the kindergarten years. The intention at Star Seedlings is to not only prepare the children for school pre-academically, but to assure that they have a foundation for life of emotional security, physical health, a wellspring of joy, and an overall sense of well-being.